What plans do you have in place for post-development support and maintenance? As a custom product development company, Taazaa recognizes that our client relationship extends beyond the development phase. Once your product is live, we offer comprehensive post-development support and maintenance services to ensure it performs optimally and adapts to your evolving needs. Let's discuss the main elements of our support and maintenance plans. Number 1, technical support. We provide technical support to address any issue that might arise after deployment. This includes fixing bugs, resolving technical issues, and assisting with how to use the product. We offer support through various channels like email, phone, or a dedicated support portal, and we ensure prompt responses to your queries. 2, maintenance services. Our maintenance services include regular updates, patches, and software enhancements. This helps improve performance and usability, keeps your product software current with the technological advancements, and meets evolving business needs. 3, performance monitoring. Our team regularly monitors product performance to ensure it is functioning correctly. We use various monitoring tools to track system performance, user activities, and error logs. If we notice any abnormalities or performance issues, we proactively address them. 4, security updates. Cybercrime continues to be a growing problem, so protecting your data and users' information is more crucial than ever. That's why we regularly update your product software to patch any security risks and ensure compliance with the latest security standards. 5, regular backups. Our team set up and manage regular data backups to prevent data loss in case of a system failure or cyber attack. We also provide data recovery services if required. 6, feature enhancements. Over time, you might want to add new features or enhancements to your product. If so, we offer development services for such feature enhancements based on your requirements. 7, training. We provide comprehensive training for your team to ensure they are comfortable using the product. This can be done during deployment or later if you onboard new team members. 8, SLA-based support. Our support and maintenance services are governed by a service level agreement, SLA. This ensures you clearly understand our response and resolution times and the scope of our support services. 9, regular reporting. We consistently provide reports detailing any support and maintenance activities, issues encountered, and how they were resolved. This level of transparency helps you keep track of your product's health. We help your product remain a valuable tool for your business long after its initial development. At Taazaa, we're committed to helping you maximize your product's value and longevity. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more product development tips from Taazaa.